Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we have the HOMEASY handheld steam iron. This is the most mobile steam iron that you'd use. So this came off of the Black Friday sale for about 33 quid. It was on sale at the moment, it's probably £46. But yeah, handheld steam iron, you could just literally get your clothes up in the hanger and you could just iron them while they're there, rather than just having to use the hand steamer, the old-fashioned stuff. But yeah, that's what we have. I'm going to quickly unbox this. It comes with a carry case, as you can see. On the top you have this carry case. This is sort of velvet kind of texture. It's got the HOMEASY logo on top. Smart Home, Easy Life. And by the way, this is 280 milliliters of water that you have to pour in, and obviously power consumption is 1500 watts. Yeah, nothing much that probably could be of use on the box. Detachable brush, longer air guide, water tank button and visible water tank is all that we have in the box. Shipping over. And then we have one single glove. It could be hot, so just a precautionary measure. It's good that they've included that. But yeah, we have this hot. Maybe the hot part gets kept on these, perhaps. I'm not aware of what this is essentially, but yeah. Rated power, 1500 watts, wattage 220 to 240, frequency 50 to 60 hertz, tank capacity to 80 ml. That's the handheld steam iron. User information, full user guide, warranty information should be somewhere, product installation. In different languages. One information is not there. There we have the hand steamer, and you have something that you'd use to cover the face of it, I guess. Let's keep all of the boxes and stuff to this side. Okay, so that's gone. So what we have here is a brush and a soft textured finish on here. This part, this probably goes on the face of it, or the head of it, whatever you like to call it. HOMEASY logo here, and we have a texture here, and it just seems as if this might just come off. No. I just feel that it should come off. I'm not going to do that anyway. Okay, so maybe it just sticks on here, does it? Seems to be doing its job. So maybe some for harsh creases, maybe just for making that available. This is 2 meter or 1.5 meter, 2 meters I think. 2 meter cable, power switch, and the spray gun, the sprayer here, and this is essentially the water tank. So 280 milliliters of water in here, and you could just use it straight out like that. Set it off, turn it on, and just start to use it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is the unboxing of the HOMEASY handheld steam iron. This is such a handy product for travel usage and for the usage generally, coming off of the traditional approach of using the traditional steam iron, which used to be quite a bit of a pain in the ass. But yeah, so that's what we have. If you have any questions or queries, as usual, post them in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to My Next Best. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care, cheers, bye-bye.